What if a small oversight could turn into a tragedy? A fire can start in seconds, and getting it under control depends on time. That's why having a reliable smoke detector is not an option, it's a necessity. This device detects smoke immediately and activates a loud alarm that alerts you and your family. It is quick to install, operates automatically, and has a long-lasting battery, ideal for kitchens, bedrooms, offices, and any space in your home. Ena topo matiwas. Protect what you love. Act before it's too late, because when it comes to safety, every second counts. This fire detector is your first line of defense against the unexpected.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Attention, monoxyde de carbone.